Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, man. And today was a good day. So first of all, today there was pretty bad news. Indexes, uh, I mean, the basic bad news for USD. So I waited 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into the trading review. So first things first is I took a trade today, which you can obviously tell by my screen. Uh, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with. So before I usually trade 30 minutes after the market opens, so 8:30 p.m. Right? But there was bad news today, so I waited 30 minutes after news came out to see how the market was pushing. So what you can see right here is we get a breaker structure right here, right? There's a breaker structure to the downside, and then we also form a fair value gap, which just tells me that this trend's going to continue. It's a continuation, right? So all I did was I marked out this fair value gap, and then I go to the 1 minute, and then I go to the 1 minute, and boom, and then I wait for a breaker structure, right? So once I get the breaker structure, which I got an inverse fair value gap, so I count that as a breaker structure, inverse fair value gap, and once this candle closed, that's when I placed in my trade. So I took it off this inverse fair value gap, and I put my stop loss above this fair value gap up here, right? And we do obviously get the breaker structure. The breaker structure was right here, right there, on this wick right here, and that was pretty much it, man. And also another thing that got hit was my equilibrium. See how it pushed back into this discounted price range right here, and then continue down lower. So once I seen that, I knew that I was gonna win this trade. But that's pretty much it, guys. I put my take profit at a 1 hour low. So 1 second, scroll down. Let me find this. So you can see right here, this 1 hour low in the Asian session. I marked out this 1 hour low and put my take profit right there. Right. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the trade I took today. I made like $60, which I could have, made way more, but where bad news was out today, so I didn't really want to risk much. So I just, I risked a bullcrap amount, but it was a 2.06 risk to reward. So yeah, this is a pretty good trade, y'all. But anyways, man, I'm gonna end out this video, and I'll catch y'all later, man. Peace.